Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Green and Blue Reciprocal Gradient. It's actually got a couple other colors in there too, but I feel like those are the main ones that come through in the finished manicure. If you'd like nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this design, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean, dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that we're going to be using today are mostly colors by Llarowe, with the exception of the white, which I'm using Sally Hansen White On. For the gradient, I'm going to be using Vincent, Boulangerie, which is kind of a aubergine purple hollow. Then we've got Thunder Shake, which is a blue hollow. And then the brighter colors are the Bluest Eyes in Texas. This is not a hollow, but it does have a really pretty shimmer to it. And Radioactive, which same thing. It's not a hollow, but it has a lot of shimmer to it, and it's really very bright. I'm going to be using white as my base color, but I'm not going to be painting it on. I'm actually going to be sponging it on. So before I do that, I'm going to protect around my nails using Simply Peel. I've got my Simply Peel applied and my base color of white. Now we're going to be working on the gradient. I'm going to add just a little bit of black at the edge just to have a really dark section. Then the purple, which is also very dark. The blue kind of tends to overwhelm things, so we're going to do a more moderate section of blue. Then a lot of the turquoise and a little bit of the green. And I think I'm actually going to add a little bit more of the purple here because it's soaked in quite a bit. And then we're just going to start sponging on our nails. A little bit of back and forth, a little bit of up and down, reapplying polish in between and as needed. Like sometimes you might have enough to move on and do a second nail, but as you can see, not really. So something I'll do is maybe reload the colors again, then apply that on my middle nail, and then again apply the excess on my ring finger. So like two sponges of excess should be enough in a lot of cases to cover the nail, but if not, you can always touch it up as you go along. To speed up the drying time before I move on to the second gradient, just like I did after the base color, I'm going to add a quick coat of Seche Vite. first gradient should be fully dry, helped out by that Seche Vite. Now I have another layer of Simply Peel applied, and I'm going to be using these medium nail vinyls from What's Up Nails. They're just straight vinyls. I like to kind of peel up the edge here like you see and then be able to grab them with a tweezer. And then we're going to be doing some precision placing. I'm going to be doing 3 on each nail, or at least attempting to do 3. The pinky may object to that. But 1 on the middle and then 1 equally placed on each side. Then we'll be going and repeating the first steps again, like we did for the first gradient. We're going to be doing another layer of white and then another layer of the colors. I got a little bit of bleeding under some of the nail vinyls, but since I did a top coat in between, what I'm actually going to do is take my cleanup brush, and where you can see that white bled through a little bit, we're just going to go in and very carefully clean it off. Very light touch, very small amount of acetone, but it will really make a difference to your finished manicure to do this step. And then once I finish with that, I'll do some more cleanup around the edge of the nail. Finally, I'll be finishing with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really pleased with how this turned out. I had quite a lot of problems with bleeding on my left hand, but I actually solved most of them on my right hand. I'm sorry that that didn't make it into the tutorial, but it was just something that I decided to retest again kind of on the fly during stream. And before I added that second white base color, I just added a coat of clear polish, and that really helped with almost all of the bleeding. So if you want to see a little bit more of that, the full stream will be up on Monday. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I haven't done a reciprocal, I think, since Christmas, and the colors in this are just what I wanted. So, like I said, I'm really happy. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.